How to make AI thumbnails quickly. There are different kind of platforms which will use AI for thumbnail making. I'm just gonna show you from Canva. You can just type in Canva AI thumbnail maker on the search bar, after which click on the first link that appears. Then you will land to this page. Here you will see it says free AI thumbnail maker. You will see a small search bar. Click on the search bar and start typing your prompt. Make sure that you give as much details as possible, because from the words that you give, it will generate the thumbnail. Once you are done typing in the prompt, click on Create a Thumbnail with AI. When you do that, then it will take some time to process the thumbnail. As you can see, it analyzes all the keywords that I gave it. So when you type in more keywords, then the thumbnail will be more fulfilling. Once it's done, you can see there are 4 results. You can click on any of the picture to take it to the canvas. Now here you can increase the size of the thumbnail. If it's for YouTube, then the ratio is incorrect, so you might need to zoom in or crop the photo. But yeah, just like that, you can use AI to make your thumbnails. That's all for today. Thank you.